Hi everyone, I'm Calvin from Shino Forming Machinery. Today we will introduce our Shino sandwich panel packaging machine. Our sandwich panel packaging machine can be used at the end of the sandwich panel production line to form a complete production line. The working principle of this machine is that when the sandwich panel passes through the center, wrap the packaging film in and out on the sandwich panel. The principle of packaging is simple, but its implementation requires precise electronic control to match the speed of the machine and the different specifications of the boards. All Shino machines can be highly matched with the sandwich panel production line. The machine was designed to run stably for a long time, so the materials used are all long-life materials. We look forward to you choosing our sandwich panel packaging machine to help you produce sandwich boards